All right. Hello, Jeremiah. We are on handwriting, page 17 and 18, says Austin. 17 and 18, I'm going to share my screen with you. We're just doing, that's a good point, Jeff. We're just doing 17 today. All right, 18 will be for tomorrow. Guys, you need to stop. All right, all right. Okay, name and date, and I need this now because when I graded papers this weekend, I was missing a lot of names. So do it right now and circle it. Write your name and circle it.
Okay. Okay.
I got a lot of talking going on. That means I need to start taking dollars. And keep in mind that if I have to take $1 from you, Jeremiah here should get reprimanded. Not cool. Hunter, give me $1. You're not facing forward either. Give me $1. It's time to get down to business. Name and date. And I do want to tell you one thing about when you don't have your name on your paper. When I get to the, let's say I don't have 3 names on my paper. Let's say one of them gets a 10, one of them gets a 9, and one of them gets a 3. 3 being a really bad score, right? If you don't have your name on your paper, I don't know who got the 10, I don't know who got the 9, and I don't know who got the 3. So if your name's not on the paper, you get the lowest score.
What?
Yeah. So make sure your name is on your paper. So it's always a good idea. Put your name, put your date, and if I were you, I'd circle it so I remember. Do that right now.
Okay.
Okay. And here we go. We've got the cursive letters P, B, and F. So we've got P, and here's what we do. We study once, study twice, study chicken soup with rice. And then on the next one, we trace it once, trace it twice, trace it chicken soup with rice. And the next one, you're going to drive it. Austin, give me $1. I told you not to talk. Give me $1. And so I'm going to need you to drive it. But remember, when you're driving, you got to go so slow that you're staying on that road. So try it right now. Let's see if we can stay on the road with that P. No talking. Stay on the road. Boy, I sure am hearing noise. Hate to have you writing sentences at lunchtime. Now, on the next part, you're going to write it yourself. How many of these do you write, Preston?
3.
Yes, that's exactly right. Only 3, please. For the next part, you're going to trace the B's. You're going to study it, trace it, and drive it. On the F, you're going to study, trace, and drive. And let's drop down to the bottom. Okay? These are things you see and things you do. Let's see. Do we see a clock or do we do a clock? We see a clock, so we'll put a little S right there. Play, is that something we do or we see?
We do.
We do, so we're going to put a D on it. You know, we could actually go, ooh, yeah, we can actually go subjects and predicates on these, but that's okay. Church, do we see it or do we do it?
We do it.
No, we see it.
No,
You don't church. You go to church, but you don't church. Bible, do we see it or do it?
Do it. Do it.
Pray, do you do Bible?
Yes.
You see Bible, you don't do
Yes.
Bible. You don't Bible. You don't go to school in Bible.
No.
How about pray? Do you see it or do it?
You do it.
You do it. Very good. Austin, I still need $1 from you. Do you have it on the corner of your desk? Austin, put it on the corner of your desk right now. Writing, do you see it or do it?
You do it.
You do it. Flag, do you see it or do it?
You do it.
No, you don't flag.
You see
You
it.
see it. And work, do you see it or do it?
You do it.
Do it. I'm hearing a lot of talking. Austin, you already owe me $1. Do we need to make it 2? Okay. So all the ones, now give me 2, Austin. Put 2 out there. So if you put an S under it, you write it down here. If you put a D under it, you write it over here. Get it?
Got it.
Good. Go.
You.
Brianna, give me $1.